In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a loop in Make.com, formerly known as Integromat. In just 5 minutes, you'll learn to effectively use loops in your automation scenarios, significantly enhancing your workflow capabilities. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to Make.com, a versatile automation platform where you can connect a plethora of apps and design custom workflows. If you haven't saved the website link, just type Make.com into your browser's search bar, and you'll be there in no time. Once you're on the Make homepage, take a moment to locate and click on the Sign In button. You will usually find this option in the upper right corner of the screen. Enter your login details and access your account. Remember that keeping your login credentials secure is important, so if you're using a shared or public computer, make sure to log out once you're done. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to the Make Home dashboard. Here, you'll be able to view any ongoing projects or scenarios. But for today's lesson, we'll start fresh. Navigate to the section labeled New Scenario. This is where the real magic happens, allowing you to build new automated processes from scratch. Within the New Scenario page, there's a toolbox of functionalities on the left side of your screen. Click on Tools to reveal a menu of options that Make offers. This menu includes everything you'll need to design your workflows, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with its offerings. However, for our purpose today, we're focusing on the Aggregator tool, which is essential for setting up loops. Now, in the search bar within the Tools section, type Aggregator. You should see the Aggregator option pop right up. The Aggregator will enable you to handle collections of data in a versatile manner, perfect for scenarios requiring repeated actions. Select it and prepare to integrate it into your scenario. With each step you take in Make.com, remember that you're building scenarios with a vast potential for automation. Loops, especially, help you efficiently manage repetitive tasks without manual intervention. This skill will streamline your processes and save you precious time. Always test your scenario to ensure everything is functioning as intended. Congratulations! You've just learned how to set up a loop in Make.com. By mastering this function, you've achieved a great step forward in automating your workflow processes. Keep experimenting with different tools and scenarios to see what works best for your individual needs. Thanks for joining me today, and I cannot wait to see what innovative solutions you come up with using this powerful tool.